Tim Jarvis and Sean Slide. I think we're going to see the maneuver called the side slide. Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? Get your cameras ready. This is the only airplane in the universe that'll pour this. Set up for a maneuver we call the moonshot. He's bringing the airplane back from Airshow left. He cranks that thing around. We're probably getting down to about 7 or 8 gallons of Jet A. This airplane takes off with about 52 to 54 gallons of Jet A, depending on the configuration, depending on the weight. And when we're done, we're done. When he gets to the top of this climb, that's all she wrote for the Jet A, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to use it all just for you at the California Capitol Air Show. Here we go. We got a 5, 4, 3, 2. Count down with me, ladies and gentlemen. 1. Oh yeah, now when he gets to the top, listen for it, you're going to hear that jet come off. Everybody be real quiet now. Turn the music down. You can still hear the jet on. He's going to get to the top, that's 7,500 feet. He's going to reach over. We're going to turn that jet off. Ladies and gentlemen,